Hello, greetings everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Omo, I don't tell. How na dey now? Hey, like I beg the channel never die. I just it has been long for real, but I stopped posting in this channel for a long time. Does not mean that I'm not trading or I'm in a long-term break in trading. No. I've been trading all this while, but it's just I don't have chance to post or do anything. I'm still learning. No more trading is not easy. Seriously, it's never an easy thing. I tell you, I don't know. Oh my god, this thing is just busting my head because it's not what I thought when I come into this industry for the first time. Is never what I thought. I thought like if I finish learning before you know it, I'll be good. But this one, is not how it is. Seriously, if you are watching online, all these marketers, is it what did they call them? All these scammers online, they will be like, if you just learn my course for 3 months, you start making money, you start more trading is not like that. Seriously, I'm going to tell you guys the truth. You guys have to just pay close attention. Trading is not the way they advertise it online. It's not the way people talked about it. Those successful, I'm talking about legit people. I'm not talking about market makers. So you get, I'm talking about the legit guys out there that are trading forex. Those people, it takes them years before they are able to get their stand in trading. It does not take them 1 year. It does not take them 6 months. It doesn't take them 3 months. My dear, if you are in a stage of psychologically, it will take you like 1 year plus, or if you are fast, it can take you 6 months. Or if you have your IQs, I'm not talking about intelligence. This thing don't have to do with anything called intelligence in this case. So, seriously, if your IQ is very fast to suppress your psychology, to able to adapt to change is very very easy. It can take you 3 months to leave that stage, and that stage is not a profitable stage, I'm telling you. So you guys, we have to just stop that mindset of, hey, trading is this one, trading is that one. So I just want to cut off this. Let's just go to what we have to do, okay? Because like I said, I'm promising that I will not be making my video so long, and if I just come here, I will do what I want to do once and I will go. So today I saw this setup. This is the trade I took on March 20th. I did this analysis on long time, around that kind, March 20th or so, but I waited and it taps my zone, and this is it. So I first of all like to use higher time frame, but if you watch, this is a counter trend though. Let me just show you this 4 hours. The main trend of this is a downtrend. See it here, is a downtrend. So I see a pullback, and the pullback is giving me the shape I like. So I go to 1 hour. It was very very clear. So I've been using 1 hour. 1 hour is showing me is an uptrend. So that is why I'm using 1 hour. So this trade now is very good. This zone I marked last year is this last zone here is a zone that I was expecting that this particular price will come down, mitigate it and go, but it does not. I was waiting for this to be swept out, whereas market is using this one as liquidity. It sweep out and it's marked on this particular zone and go. So now there is a new break of structure. I'm no more using this one. So I'm no more looking at this place. You get, there is a new break of structure I can see here. So this is a new break of structure. So what we are looking at is the low, is the swing high of the trade and the swing low of this trade. So what is the swing high? This is the swing high, and this is the swing low. So this is our trading range. So how do we do this analysis? I can see the other block. I'm interested for the trade to come and pick me. So now, right now, this is what I'll have to wait for a liquidity to form in the market. But sometimes synthetic doesn't form liquidity. It's not all the time. So if I do not see liquidity, I'm taking this trade. I'm really, really taking the trade. So this is what I'm looking at now. So it doesn't take me time to do my analysis anymore. That's the progress. So I'm thanking God. So if it does not happen, that simply means that this particular tiny zone here is the liquidity. So I'm expecting it to be broken. So this market is either it creates new liquidity, go up and come down and tap me, do something like this. Oops. if you do something like this for a market structure shift traders to enter, and I don't know why this thing is just, it's not giving me this chance of order, and boom. So, but though this kind of market structure shift, you need to see it in lower time frame, like 5 minutes, or this is 1 hour. So I'm expecting this kind of movement in 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Sure, you get. So if this price mitigate this zone, for those who are conservative traders, they have to go and wait for this thing. But for me, if it mitigate this zone, I'm entering. I'm a kind of aggressive trader. I'm entering, and we will look and see what happens. So, but if you want to be more conservative on what you are trading, you have to do what, go to the lower time frame, wait for something like this, something like this. So when you see something like this, it means that this is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure. And after this, there is something we have, like we have a market structure shift. Then you look for a zone that shifted this market from here. Then from here, you enter that zone. That is when this one come, it taps you, and you set your this thing there and go to the highest this thing. So all these ones are just, if you give you risk to reward of 1:3, you go to 1:3. So that is for 5 minutes entry distance strategy. So, but I don't wait for all those things anymore. It's not that I'm above it to like SL. SL they hit to SL. God, it's a long story, but I don't want to. I just want to cut it short. So let's just keep this thing simple today, so that I'm promising you something after this trade. Just mark this. Take this. I'm saving it, because in synthetic indices, if you don't save, you will not get what you are doing this thing. You will miss the data of what you analyze. So right here by the side, I will also show you that I'm placing the order. So if it taps that zone, it's taking me. You get. So I'm taking this trade, but though I'm doing it on my practice, because I don't lose much. I have to bend down and learn this time around. So I'm currently playing around with demo accounts, you get. So if I win this trade, if this trade go to my TP, I will still do an update video about this. If it go to my SL, I will still do an update video. So thank you so much for going this far with me in this particular stage. So I so much love you all, and please just smash that subscription button below and hit that like button. Also, please, if it's possible, just share the video for me. Thank you so much, and I so much love you all. And okay, so let's wait for the update of this video. Thank you.